र म आज चाहिँ साबेल गौशालाबाट नर्लिङ रिसोर्ट जाँदैछु। म अहिले भर्खर बौद्ध क्रस गरेँ। म पुगेपछि हजुरहरूलाई देखाउँछु है त। म फाइनल्ली J2 हजुरहरूलाई वेलकम छ र म ग्रान्ड नर्लिङभित्र चाहिँ इन्ट्री गरिसकेको छु र हाम्रो सान कन्फरेन्सको यो प्याम्पलेट्सहरू देख्न सक्नुहुन्छ। हिजोको कस्तो लाग्यो भन्नु होला है र आजको पनि कस्तो लाग्यो इन्जोय गर्नु होला, कमेन्ट गर्नु होला। थ्याङ्क यू।
And Association of Hearing Impairment Parents with Degree of Handicap, more in mild hearing loss, and laterality is more in bilateral hearing loss, and types of hearing loss more in sensory neural type of hearing loss. There is more handicap.
Alliance project from the under the Australian Development Agency with the support of MEDAL, and he is also having the active participations in curriculum update and curriculum development of PSLB and MSLB in Nepal. Through his Hearing for Life Foundation and Project Chitra, he promotes hearing restorations and rehabilitation for the underprivileged children. We feel very honored to have such a legend as a...
Okay, so my topic was on cochlear implants in ALS. That was actually the topic, but I changed the topic slightly different to make a decision making in cochlear nerve anomaly in ALS. So where cochlear implant also is a part of it. Now the reason why I wanted to expand the scope is we see two types of patients. So patients with classic auditory neuropathy, patients with auditory nerve deficiency, where auditory neuropathy is also a component of nerve deficiency. So nowadays we try to meet the right cochlea and the left cochlea are the same. And there are a lot of microanatomical variations between these two cochleas. The size of the cochlea varies. The minimum cochlear duct length is 21 millimeters.
Mr. Sailendra Shah to chair this session and welcome Ms. Safari Kishri to present her talk. Sailendra Shah is an audiologist with over 14 years of clinical experience. He holds a master's degree in audiology and speech language pathology and currently practices at the Nepal Hearing and Speech Training Home Hospital and Research Center and Ukanda Tripura Memorial National Institute of Neurological and Allied Sciences. His area of expertise include diagnostic audiology and cochlear implants. I'd also like to request the chairperson, Mr. Sailendra Shah, to please take the chair and introduce the speaker.
Nature and severity of swallowing problems also varies with respect to their sensory motor impairment. Many times we think cerebral palsy is motor impairment. Yes, it is, but many of children with cerebral palsy do have sensory issues as well.
म भर्खर स्पिचको कन्फरेन्सबाट यता आइरहेको छु, बाहिर निस्किएको छु। हजुरहरूले यो पछाडिको ब्याकग्राउन्ड भ्यू हेर्न सक्नुहुन्छ, कस्तो राम्रो छ। र यहाँको सबभन्दा ब्युटिफुल भ्यू भनेको चाहिँ यु मेक लुक ओभर हियर। अनि यहाँ एउटा मान्छे बसे जस्तो देख्नुहुन्छ, यो चाहिँ हाम्रो प्रीति हो।
क्या राम्रो लोकेसन छ यार, एकदम पिसफुल छ।
हामी एकैछिन यहाँ बसिरहेको छौँ।
उताको त्यो कति दामी छ।
फोटो खिच्न पर्छ भने कन्फरेन्स सबै एटेन्ड गर्न पनि सकिँदैन। उसको चाहिँ आफ्नै गीत चलिरहेछ।
म टिकटक बनाउने सोचिरहेको छु।
र यो जुन हामी अहिले रिसोर्ट छौँ, यो चाहिँ ग्रान्ड नर्लिङको रिसोर्ट हो। र यति राम्रो रहेछ भन्ने कुरा हामीले हिजो डे 1मा पनि थाहा पाएको थिएनौँ एन्ड आज अलिकति घुमिरहेछौँ घुम्दा नयाँ नयाँ कुराहरू देखिरहेछ अनि जुन जुन नयाँ कुराहरू देखिरहेछ त्यो मन पर्दै गइरहेछ So how are you feeling? So यो आनन्दले हेरेर बस्न पाइरहेको छ प्रीति केही भन
के भन्न भिडियो बनाउनु छ
छिटो भन केही न केही त भन्न पर्यो
केही न केही के भनौँ क्या राम्रो यहाँ हेर त के भन्छ यसलाई गार्डन छ यसमा गएर फोटो खिच्नु पर्यो त्यहाँ बिचमा छाता हालेको डिजाइन राम्रो छ त्यहाँ गएर टिकटक बनाउनु पर्यो एउटा दुईटा अनि रमाइलो गर्नु पर्यो
For you all, and I am Dr. Nitish. I am a senior consultant at Starkey, and I've been a passionate audiologist for a long time. So today I'll be talking about the AI, the advancement of AI, and how we utilize AI in Starkey products. So going back in time, when it goes into a GPU system, it can go almost to about trillions and trillions of transistors. Think about the amount of processing, the amount of information processing that is possible these days. So this is how the rooms look like where your data is stored basically. So our goal is to achieve superhuman sensory perceptual abilities and transform hearing aids to must-have communication and health devices. So the human brain is the most computational system that we ever know. Okay, the cerebral cortex of the brain is itself a giant interconnected network of neurons, and that is what is nothing but deep neural network. So we train, we fine tune, we learn, we look at each other today, we remember each other with AI, and also allow the hearing aids to help people hear better.
कतिखेर आएको अघि नै आइसकेको छ
improve their overall well-being.
तिमी कहाँ थियौ त्यो भनौ
Also, the Starkey devices can act like a virtual assistant as well for the user.
न
Performance and sound have remained mostly these four things. So similarly, in hearing healthcare, one sound doesn't fit everyone. Okay, one doesn't fit everyone. Therefore, they are prescription hearing aids. Okay, so with Edge AI hearing aids, we bring personalized medicine into audiology. And my hope is that just as personalized medicine improves the health outcomes, a personalized, well-fit hearing aid can improve hearing health outcomes. So let's start by looking at biology and neuroscience.
Mr. Ashok, any other?
So masking during the AVR test, I think it's rarely needed. It's rarely needed, and the condition like unilateral hearing loss or asymmetrical type of hearing loss, in that condition, Hello. So during the when you suspect of asymmetrical hearing loss or unilateral type of hearing loss, in that cases we may need masking during the AVR test. So approaches can be like to reduce all these things, we can go for bone conduction test. Another is main factor is transducers. What we are using, whether we are using supra-oral earphone or we are using insert earphones. So as we know that insert earphone is far better than supra-oral earphones. So after this bone conduction test, we can also think of insert earphones. And the third one is we can just think of contralateral masking to overcome all these who can think of this during the test of this masking, during the masking?
Thank you, Mr. Ashok. Any other?
Mr. Sassis, Mr. Dilviraj, and Mr. Vikas. Now we have the additional talk. Since Mr. Siva Ganeshan has already talked yesterday, we'll have the second talk, which will be done by Mr. Akash Nara. So I also request him to be prepared.
फाइनल्ली हामी यहाँदेखि छुट्टी लिँदैछौँ। अब घरतिर जाँदैछौँ। हाम्रो सानकनको कन्फरेन्सको डे 2 एन्ड भयो, यानि कि यो वर्षको कन्फरेन्स चाहिँ यहीँनिर समाप्त भएको जानकारी गराउन चाहन्छु। भ्लग राम्रो लागेमा लाइक गरिदिनु होला, कमेन्ट पनि गरिदिनु होला, सब्सक्राइब पनि गरिदिनु होला। थ्याङ्क यू। ग्रान्ड नर्डिङ रिसोर्टलाई चाहिँ हामीले बाई बाई भन्दैछौँ। बाई बाई। थ्याङ्क यू।